Really? He's gonna kick you. What is up? They're fighting for my attention. Ow! Stop. Fucker. See, this is what he does when the TV's not on. George! 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 Go!
Spirits download their files into my operating system.
Oh my god!
What is it? It's a pigeon on your head.
Azalea, get back in this yard.
Bang, tengok nak kotak ni sayur tak banyak dah apa. Ayo bang kan.
So I work for Amazon. Please explain to me what I'm supposed to do in this situation. I opened my back door and somebody's dog crawled in my front seat.
We're having breakfast together. I made him one little scrambled egg, and I'm having myself some Kodiak protein pancakes with maple syrup, and yeah.
Check out this brand new workout. Guaranteed to get those obliques in motion. First, you get a puppy. Then, you start tossing. And he's gonna come back to the center like a good little training buddy, and you toss him.
Look at her wrist!
She makes me weak. Cody! Oh, are you okay, Loop? That was karma. That was karma.
Ay, me mandan a mandar fotos. Cookie. No vea.
Zůstaň, Rambo. Zůstaň.
He's got the zoomies. Oh my god. What the dude.
Where you going, guy? Huh? Where are you going?
Fastball. Here it is.
Hello? Ow! No!
This way!
Jaders. Jade, get out of the tunnel. Let's Zuzu in. Zuzu, I know. Don't worry, baby. We're gonna come get you. We'll come get you out. Poor thing. I know. I hear you, sweetie. Jade.
As you can see, we're doing some construction, so Winnie has her safety hat on.
Oh my god.
You have your safety hat on?
Hi, safety dog.
Yes. Safety first.
Cannot believe my eyes.